Okay, today is December 10 and the time is almost 2:45. I'm going to open my math exam. Okay. The name of the lesson is Tray of Nine, Initial Presentation. Okay. So after I present to my chart, I'm going to answer the questions. Okay, I'm gonna leave that over here. Mino, hi. I'm going to give you a lesson today. Okay. Do you know where is the rocks? Can you grab just like a small rock for me? Okay. Thank you. Mino, could you please come with me so I can give you a lesson? Today we are gonna work on a tray of 9. This work is called Tray of 9. Okay? We're gonna take this on a mat. You worked with the beads before, right? So today you are going to get the new lesson. Remember, what is the name of this beads? Units. Good, so you remember that. Okay, let me show you how hard is a little bit. Okay. So we are gonna put the units on the top of the rock, okay? 1 unit. 2 units. 3 units. 4 units. 5 units. 6 units. 7 units. 8 units. I'm missing 1 unit. I'm sorry because my chart was working in the morning. I think they missed 1 unit. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? And Mino, remember what is that? 10 bars. Okay, this is 10 bars. So we are gonna put 1 10 bar, 2 10 bar, 3 10 bars, 4 10 bars, 5 10 bars, 6 10 bars, 7 10 bars, 8 and 10 bars, and 9, right? And you remember, this is 100 square. Would you like to hold it? This is 100 square. Do you want to leave it here? 100 square, 200 square, 300 square, 400 square, 500 square, 600 square. I'm going to just move it a little bit so we can fit better. 700 square, 800 square, 900 square. And this is 1000 cube. It's very heavy. Would you like to hold it? 1000 cube. Mina, can you put 1000 cube here? Okay. So this one is called tray of 9 because we have 9 units, we have 9 tens, we have 9 hundreds, but only we have just 1000 cube. Okay? Mina, can you okay. Mina, can you tell me what is this?
Unit.
Unit. can you show me 10 bars? Can you hand it to me? Thank you. Can you just pick 100? Thank you. Can you pick up 1,000? 1,000 cubed. This is 1,000 cubed. Okay. For this lesson, we can make more. We can go make more complex. Like we can ask the child, "Can you hand it to me like 1,300 squares and 4 units?" Or so we can just make this work a little bit more complex. But after the child has the enough experience with the initial presentation, we can just go to more complex lessons. So I'm gonna just my exam is just say initial presentation, but I'm gonna just and then I already did like 3-period lesson with Mino. I asked her like, what, can you show me unit? And then I said, okay, can you tell me what is that? And or just what is the 1,000? Like where is the 1,000 cube? So we can do the 3-period lesson with the child, and then we can work more complex of this work. Like I can ask the child, Mino, can you give me 300 squares? 1, 2, 3. So, Mino, can you just put them here? 2 units. Okay, Mino, can you put them back, please? Okay, can you put them on? So we can do the 3-period lesson of this work. I'm going to answer the question, and then I'm going to ask Mino to do this lesson, and actually I'm going to show her how she has to clean up this work. It says, what skills does the child need to do this work, and how would you prepare him or her for this lesson? Before we are going to give the child lesson on a tray of 9, the child has to know the introduction to decimal system, which is just 1 unit, 1 10 bar, 100 square, and 1,000 cube. And the child has to work before this, the child has to do like we have to do in a sequence, like number rods, and then spindle box, odd and even, especially short beat stairs, so the child can have experience with the beads, so she knows how to count the beads. And then we can go to the introduction to the decimal system, and then we can go to the tray of 9. And then it says, how would you prepare him? Because when we work with the child with all of this lesson, the child's going to be ready for the tray of 9, and then later for exchanging, and then later for a bank get. Where will you go next after the child is successful with this work? Okay, after the child is really successful with the initial presentation, I would make more complex of this work. That's why I did it with Mino. Like, can you give me 300, two 10 bars, 5 units, and then after the child has a great experience with that, I can just introduce like what is the 10 bar. The 10 bars it makes with 10 units, or the 100 squares it makes 10 bars, or 1,000 cube it makes with 100 squares. And then after that I can take the child to the bank gate, which is we can do the first quantity, and then association with the numbers, the wooden numbers, and then go to the static addition with the bank game, and then dynamic, and then go to the multiplication, subtraction, and division later. Why is this work important in the sequence of decimal systems activity? Because this work, it gives the child good experience. We can do, with this work, we can do the exchange game. That's why this exchange game, we can use it for the decimal system later. What other math lesson could be going on parallel to this work? Parallel for this work, again, I would say the bank game. Before the bank game, we can introduce the wooden numbers. And also, I have a math. It can go with this work too. I have a math. We can teach the child the place value, like the unit, tens, hundred, and thousand. And we can, teach the child where is the unit go, where is the ten goes, where is the hundred and thousand, like this. This is unit, this is tens, this is hundred, and this is thousand. So we can teach child this lesson. Also, we can introduce the wooden numbers and make compositions of numbers, but later when the child has a great experience of this work. Okay, I think I covered all of the questions. I'm going to put them back and show Mino how she has to clean, how we have to clean up this work, and then she can do this. She can show me this work. So Mino, when you clean up, we're going to put the units in a row first, okay? So we're going to keep it here, so we are not going to lose it. And then we can put the 10 bars here. And I would like to leave a comment again. Anytime we can have an opportunity to give the child a lesson to count, like I did it, like even when I was cleaning up, I was counting, like 100, 200. So always we have to, count so the child can memorize, the child can learn more for counting. Can you show me units? Good, thank you. I'll put it back for you. Can you show me 100 square? Can you show me 10 bars? Thank you. Can you show me 1,000 cube? This is 1,000 cube. Nina, can you tell me what is this?
10.
10
10 bars.
10 bars. It makes with 10 units, you're right. Can you tell me what is this?
1000 cube.
1000 cube. What is this?
100 square.
100 square. Did you like this lesson? Anytime you would like it, you can practice, okay? And then later I'm going to give you more complex of this lesson. Would you like to play now? Thank you. Do you want to put it back on the shelf? Thank you. And I'll bring this back to the shelf. Okay, I think I'm done with the math lesson. Thank you.